Good morning, Rax. Today is Thursday, April 23rd, which makes today Take Your Kid to Work Day. Kind of. It's a virtual one. Maybe you got somebody working from home where you are and make that really easy. If not, don't go to work with them. Three big things. We mentioned it yesterday. Reach out to a staff member that you know here at Rax if you are in need. I know some of you have already done that. Whether it's food, abuse, schoolwork, mental, physical, emotional. We're here. I'm here. Everybody else is to help you out. Let us know if you need help. Rax Athletics has the YouTube channel page. Give Laskowski ideas on more things to post. And our little coronavirus piece of the day. Do you know pets can get it? Yes, some cats and lions and even dogs have picked up coronavirus. Doesn't mean they get it as much, but they could. So be careful. No birthdays at Rax today.
Really?
Yeah, I know. So John Cena, happy birthday. And William Shakespeare was born on April 2-3 or not 2-3. All right, that's it for the Shakespeare portion of today's show. See your ELA teacher for more information. It's Thursday. Let's keep on trucking. A lot of you, this is your last day of instruction for the week, so make it a good one. We'll see you tomorrow.